Wyden and YouTube people. We're here to talk about body image. I picked this subject because I don't think it's often talked about in the disability community. Well, it is, but it's not talked about the disability community. You know, on TV you see people talk about 15-year-old girls feeling too fat or too skinny or getting bullied because they don't have long hair or not blonde enough, not brown enough, whatever. But no one talks about, the way a 15-year-old in a wheelchair feels about his or her body, or whatever your disability is. Because if you have a physical disability, and it's an obvious physical disability, it can become quite a significant factor in your body image and the way you see yourself. I guess for me, it doesn't really affect me. I don't walk into places with other people go, oh, I hope they don't notice my wheelchair today. Maybe I'm a little bit too confident in that way, but my disability doesn't really have a negative impact on my body image. What I try to do to make myself feel good about the body God gave me is I surround myself now with people who appreciate the real me and like me for who I am, kind of, that makes sense. And then, in turn, that makes me feel good about myself because I'm getting positive feedback. I'm not saying that, negative feedback all sometimes is a bad thing, because we all need to, make sure we're doing the best we can. And if one of my friends says to me, Jared, why are you wearing that t-shirt for? Look at it. I'm not going to say, what are you talking about? I don't want to hear it. I'm perfect. No, if, one of my, I take criticism properly from the people who know me best. And then, if I think about it and I decide, okay, maybe I do need to pick up my game, then I will work on that area. You can't please everybody. You should only please yourself. And if by pleasing other people is pleasing yourself, then that's a problem. Because you never please what you see in the papers or what you see on TV or whoever. You can just try and please yourself, and then you'll feel better about what you do, and if that makes any sense, please subscribe to our channel and leave me a comment, or leave us a comment. These people are fantastic, way better than me. And I will see you next week.